3 quick ways to optimize your LinkedIn profile for the algorithm. My name is Steph. I'm a career development and interview coach. I'm doing a series right now on YouTube on personal branding, and this is part 3, which talks about LinkedIn profiles. I'm going to give you 3 things now, but if you want to see more, go to YouTube to see the entire video. First thing you can do is add simply 5 skills to your profile. Part of how the algorithm works is through keywords. So if a recruiter is searching for some key skills that they're looking for and they're hiring for a job that fits what you are looking for, we want you to pop up. So if they're looking for a project manager who needs project management skills, you would want to put project management as one of your skills in your LinkedIn profile. What's really nice about LinkedIn is that once you start typing, it actually auto-fills with a list, so you don't have to think about everything off the top of your head. You can start saying recruiter, it'll give you technical recruiter, all these different titles, and then same for any other skill that you have. Now you want to go out and get endorsements. These don't need to be people who were your managers or super high-level impressive folks. You can get endorsements from your peers, and honestly, it's better to get a few from people that you've worked with as teammates because that gives insight into how you work and your interpersonal skills. Honestly, you could ask your friend to write you an endorsement. One of the best ways that you can motivate people to do it is to offer to reciprocate. So, hey, so-and-so, really loved working with you on this team. I'd really appreciate an endorsement. I'm happy to give you one in return. The last thing, if you are actively job searching, you absolutely need to have the open to work feature turned on. Open to work is a feature on LinkedIn that will indicate to people who look at your profile that you are currently actively searching for a job. Very cool part of this feature is that you can set it to recruiters only. So LinkedIn understands a lot of us are job searching while we're still in our roles, and we don't want people to know. So it takes precautions to, one, only show that to people whose job titles are recruiter, and it also will filter that out for anyone who works at the same company that you do. Of course, there's no way to guarantee that if you work with someone who hasn't updated their LinkedIn profile to that company, it won't work, but they do their best. These 3 things are going to drastically increase your visibility on LinkedIn. They're quick, easy, you can do those today, but if you're looking for even more things to build up a more robust LinkedIn profile, go to my YouTube channel where I'm doing this series. Let me know your questions in the comments. I know that LinkedIn is a pretty big black hole to people who are not very familiar with it. It can also be really daunting or seemingly complex if you are not a very technical person. Give me a follow for more tips like this, and good luck.